Hey, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and I'm back in the hotel room again, man. I'm not in New York or nothing like that, but I'm in my own city, Milwaukee. But I got the Z Fold7 over here, and I just want to see, like, is this thing really overhyped for real? Like, I had this thing for a week now. Like, so Samsung gave this to me at Galaxy Unpacked, so shout out to Samsung for that. They flew me out to New York City. It was dope. There's been a lot of folks talking good about it, but there's been a lot of folks talking bad about it, bro, because this got its downsides, too. And that's exactly why I'm here, to go ahead and give you the scope of this. So it's crazy how time flies, man, because Galaxy Unpacked was literally over a week ago. Woo, we gonna get to 2026 quick. But I ain't gonna lie, having this Z Fold7 over here has been fun to have, man, because like everybody, like literally everybody that knows a little bit about tech or just even the phones in general, like they want to see this thing. Like I ran the U-break I fixed, right? I had to go and drop off, I think it was like my Z Flip or something like that, because I wanted to go and get it fixed. I bought a broken one off of eBay. I was trying to see how much it would cost to get it fixed. And literally, like as soon as I got up in there and they saw this phone, it was like, oh my God, can I see it? Because they seen this Z Fold7. They seen online how thin it is and everything like that. So they want to see what's good with it. Because this ain't no exaggeration. The Z Fold7 is thin as hell, man. Just look at that right there. Like if you watch my videos, you know this already. Like, come on, man. I'm not going to over exaggerate this just because Samsung gave this to me. But you can just see the difference right there, dog. Like, that's wild as hell, bro. Like this look crazy. And you could tell like using this day to day, like literally, like when I'm holding this phone, like I could tell like how much thinner it is and like how much lighter it is. It ain't that much lighter, but I can notice it. And you know what? I appreciate that, folks. Cause you know what? Anything that can make my life easier, like I carry an iPhone 15 Pro too, and like literally just having two phones with me, it's gonna be a little bit of work in my pocket. And on top of that, I was carrying this with like a thin born case, but I was carrying this with a case on top of my iPhone with a case. And just look how thick that is in my pocket. Like, let's be real. So now I just got it a little bit slimmer just here with the Z Fold7 and the iPhone 15 Pro. So like, look, I'm happy, bro. I ain't even gonna hold you. And the Z Fold7 just looks good. Now, come here for a second. Just appreciate this blue shadow with me. Woo, that look good, man. Oh, yeah. That look clean for sure. I like that. Now, I still love the design of my OG Fold. Come on, bro. Let's keep it 100. Like, if you watch me, you already know it's finna come out. But the design, A1, man. I love the design up on here. The only thing is, like, because this camera sticks out so much, I never had a phone that rocks so much on the table, bro. It's crazy. Literally, you just put it down on the table, and the Z Fold6 never even rocked like this, or any other phone I really had. It's just like, just whatever you do with it, it's just gonna rock. Like, you can't even use it flat on the table. So if you're trying to use this on the table, just don't. Just get a case, G. Like, you ain't got no other way. The durability seems decent. Now, I ain't really had to test it yet. The water resistance works, though. Like, and at the same time, though, like, with the cover screen, I had to put a screen protector on there immediately because I just don't trust Gorilla Glass. Like, I know it's gonna scratch. I had too many phones with too many screens that just scratch way too easy, so I ain't getting down with that. I don't even want to test it. But something I want to go and talk about real quick is just how much they improved the cover screen and the inside screen too. Like they definitely improved both, not just the cover screen like you always hear. Now let's run down these screens real quick. 6.5-inch cover screen, 8-inch full screen here on the inside. And you got a 21:9 cover screen. And this is way more comfortable to use than my Z Fold6. Like this is way better. I will take this cover screen over here any day over my Z Fold6, man. Like this is just like, it was cool. I could get through things, but I didn't want to. It wasn't so bad where I was like, oh my God, I gotta go ahead and open up my phone. It wasn't that bad, all right? But like I'm saying, no, it's way more comfortable using on something like this. And I think this is the same aspect ratio that Sony Xperia uses too. And also like to keep it 100 with y'all, I got my Z Flip7 over here, and it's really not that much off from my Z Flip7 with the Fold7. And then when you go ahead and unfold for the inside screen right there, like you can notice the difference with that too. It ain't dramatic, but I noticed it because I came from the Z Fold6. And just imagine, like I'm coming from the Z Fold6. That's last year's, right? So I can't imagine if you had like a Z Fold5, Z Fold4, or whatever it is, like one of the older folds. Yeah, like where'd I just put it? The OG Fold. Did you come from this? Probably not, but like, what if you came from this? Look at this cover screen difference right here, man. Samsung came a long way with these foldable phones for sure, like with these Fold series at least. Now, what's good with this battery life though? Because I know everybody want to know about that. I mean, to keep it 100 with you, it's about the same as the Z Fold6, but they really didn't even change the battery capacity, you know, like that. So I'm impressed by that alone, that they made it thinner and they didn't really change the battery capacity. Because if you think about it, because they made it slimmer, they could have just made the battery like less than it is now. But no, it's the same thing. So, I mean, we got a new processor too, so it should be more efficient. But overall, I don't really notice that much of a difference, man. It don't really seem that much better. It don't really seem worse or nothing. It just seemed about the same. But at the same time, though, the phone's still learning my habits. So I want to go and give that a minute and just kind of go ahead and let it do its thing, and then we'll figure out the battery life like a month after I got it. And them cameras, whoo, them cameras, boy. Now I'm fucking with y'all. They're actually pretty good. The 200 megapixel camera on the back is a gimmick, but it's good though. So when we was in New York, Samsung took us on this like camera tour or whatever. We went to Dumbo, we went to, did we go to Queens? I think it was, something like that. And we shot a whole bunch of pictures. I shot pictures here in Milwaukee. Like I did a whole bunch of pictures up on the Z Fold7 and they do look good. Honestly, they look better in my opinion. But every single time I would take a 200 megapixel picture, it just looked like every time like the sun is involved even a little bit, it was just overblown. So I don't think I'm gonna be using 200 megapixels. But, and you already might know this already, but we have this hole punch here, so that's back, and that looks way better than it did with the Z Fold6. So for the cover screen camera, way better. We got the same camera that we got on the cover screen, so we got 10 megapixels, and I'm happy with that, bro. That's what I wanted. I'll go ahead and throw some pictures on the screen for y'all right now, but like you can kind of see right here, like the video and everything. I like the video, the pictures, all that look good. So I think Samsung snapped with the Z Fold7. It's still not gonna be like an S25 Ultra, but it's cool. We're not gonna get the 100 times zoom and nothing like that. Actually, what is the max we get up on here? We get 30 times max, so that's the max zoom we gonna get. And honestly, I'm straight with that. Would I like 100 times zoom? Hell yeah, I'm spending $2,000 on this phone. Yeah, I want 100 times zoom, but for right now, I'll take it. And yeah, 2 bands for this thing, so it definitely went up in price, man. It's not the $17.99 that I started with before, and it's at 256 gigs. I don't know why Samsung's making that goofy ass move. It just seemed a little silly to me that you want to charge folks 2 bands for this phone, and you only want to give them 256 gigs of storage in 2025. I mean, like, how much, what you gonna do with it? You better be planning to upgrade your phone soon, because it don't have no micro SD card and nothing like that, as you probably already know. Like, the Fold series never had an SD card slot. And to be honest with y'all, to keep it 100, I don't think it ever will. But lastly, I just want to go and touch on this S Pen situation real quick. So, yeah, I do miss my S Pen, so I used it on my Z Fold6, but at the same time, though, I'm not even gonna hold y'all. I'm gonna just keep it a straight 100, keep it a buck with y'all. I really just, like, because of how slim this thing is, I kind of forgot a little bit because I got my Galaxy tab and everything like that. I got my Galaxy book, so I can use that if I want to. I had to use my little fingers and whatever. It's a little fat, but you know what? I could deal with it. I finally came around, man. So I think I can actually accept this phone being this thin to not have an SD card. No, I do need an SD card slot. But I think I can accept the phone's thinness because, ooh, I just gotta put that back right there, bruh. Ooh, that look good. But like, I just think I can accept a no S Pen just to get a phone this slim, bro. Like, I'll take it. And that's pretty much all I got for y'all right now with the Z Fold7. So a week later, is this thing overhyped? Nah, bro. But if you coming from like a Z Fold6 or something like that, I would talk to your financial advisor because I ain't really that smart. I'm gonna tell you this though. Ask yourself this. So, do you really think the wider coverage screen and like the bigger inside screen and the thinness and whatever else like that, and also like if you're just like a tech person that just like to have the latest and greatest, like, do you think that's really worth another 2 bands, or if you trade it in? Because if you trade in the Samsung, I think it can get like a band for it right now. So, if you think it's worth that, then go ahead and do it, man. If you got the bread for it, go be my guest, man. Otherwise, I'm gonna say for everybody else that don't really care about having a wider cover screen and all that and a thinner phone, just stick with your Z Fold6. But for somebody like me, I want my wider cover screen like that. I want my bigger inside display, and I hated the whole under display camera. Like, it was cool and all, but like the quality was garbage. I'm sacrificing the S Pen, but I'll take this, man. And also, like, I'm just a tech guru, bro. Like, you know how I be. Like, that's literally why I got a tech channel I'm recording on right now. But anyway, man, appreciate you for watching. Let me know if you got any questions in the comments below. Like, I'm still gonna do some more coverage with the Z Fold7. Also, what did I put over here? So Samsung sent me this too. They sent me a Flip 7. They sent it to me like literally when I got back home. So they ran out when I was at Galaxy Unpacked, and I got this too now. So I don't know if y'all saw that before. So I got coverage coming out on this. I got the Watch 8 Classic, and I might get the Z Flip 7 FE and the, what is it? The Watch 8 and the Watch 8 Ultra, or just the Watch Ultra 2025. So look out for that. Can't tell you for certain yet, but I'm in talks with Samsung. They might send one through. So hopefully they come through for your boy. Anyway, man, thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like. And if you really like to go and subscribe, go follow me on my social media at Ecentech on Instagram and X, and Facebook, but Instagram and X are most active. And we is gonna have a lot of fun with this Z Fold7 over here, bro. Like I told y'all, I got like some impressions and everything on the streets. Everybody love the Z Fold7, man. This phone is so dope. I mean, they do like the Z Flip too, though. So I was here at Bingo in Potawatomi. This is the hotel that I'm at. And she was like, oh, you got one of them little fancy flip phones. Yes, I do. And then I also got this too, but this is my favorite right here. here, but I think it's my favorite. I love the Z Flip too, man. So I'm indecisive. But I've been a Fold fan for so long that I still think I'm just stuck on the Fold. But like, I can't put down the Flip 7 either. But y'all stay tuned for more coverage on that. I got a whole bunch more videos I got to record on the Z Fold7, so y'all just look out for that. Yeah, boy, it's gonna be busy. I'm telling y'all right now, like, it's not gonna be easy at all. I'm just trying to look out for y'all, but y'all be smooth. I'm gonna get up with you later. Peace out. Oh, and look at something. So this has nothing to do with the Z Fold7, but I just want y'all to check this out. You see this over here? So my hotel literally has a removable Lenovo tablet, and it has a Lenovo Smart Dock with Alexa in it. You can connect like your phone to it in the Bluetooth speaker, but like, I thought that was dope, bro. I could go and request my valet and everything, man, on this tablet. That's wild. My bad. I just had to show y'all that, but I'm out of here, man. Peace.